Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're wondering why I have my face done and not my eyes, it's because we are going to be doing the BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of June, but there is an eyeshadow palette in here and I wanted to try it with you guys, and there's also a mascara and a blush. So we are going to be doing a BOXYCHARM try-on video. Oh, also there is a brow product in here, so that is why my brows aren't filled in yet either. So if you guys want to see what's in my BOXYCHARM and me kind of trying it on, then don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's just jump right in. So I'm going to put my mirror here, so I'm sorry if you guys can kind of see it. That's kind of annoying, but alright, so when you first open the box up, I did already look inside because I wanted to know like what to put on my face. So the first product that I want to show you guys actually isn't going to be like a first impressions, because it is a eye cream, like an eye depuffing gel. So I can't really put that on because I already did my foundation. So I can't really try this out, but this is by Dr. Brandt, and Dr. Brandt is an amazing brand. And this retails for $42, so that's amazing. And it says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So I will let you guys know what I think about it. I'm really excited to play with it. It does say that you can put it underneath makeup, so I wish I put this on before my foundation, but I'm an idiot. So yeah, this is a pretty good size, and I feel like this will last a really long time. So that is the first product, and that is $42, so you're already getting your money's worth. I'm going to try this brow product. This is by the brand Cella Beauty, and it's an eyebrow cream, so it says add some wow to your brows. Innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. I'm pretty sure I've gotten this in BOXYCHARM before. It looks familiar, but I could be wrong, and it retails for $26. So you have one side that has the brow in it, and I believe this is in the shade Taupe. Yeah, Tantalizing Taupe. This looks really familiar, but it does come with a brush. I'm not going to use the brush because it actually looks like it was kind of like messed up in the packaging. So I am going to go in with my favorite brow brush right here. This is by Anastasia, and I think this is the number 11 brush. I like it because it has a spoolie on one end. So I like to brush through my brows and kind of shape them how I want. I'm just going to dip my brush in here. Ooh, it does seem really creamy. And then I'm going to kind of like wipe this on the back of my hand. This might be a little too dark, but we shall see. I'm just going to keep like a light hand. So what I like to do is start by filling the, yeah, this is going to be too dark, but we will work with it. I'm just going to start by filling like the end of my tail, because that's usually how I start, and then I kind of form the arch. So I like to go a little bit higher than my natural arch and then fill that in. So because it is a little bit on the darker side, I am just going to kind of flick it in the front. I'm not going to do anything too dramatic, but as you can see, the color is a little bit dark for me, but that's okay. I can make it work. Alright, so that is the brows filled in. I do actually really like this product. It's really easy to work with, really easy to kind of brush through, and it seems like it's going to last like a pretty good amount of time. I am going to use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist, and this is their volumizing brow mascara. This actually has like a lighter shade to it, so I think this will be good to kind of set these with. It might give us a little bit of like a lighter effect. So I'm just gonna set them in place with this. Alright, so there is my brows. I do really like the product. It is a little bit too dark for me, but if you have like brown hair or like a darker blonde, my hair's wet right now, so it kind of matches a little bit, but once my hair dries, it's probably going to be a little too dark, but that's okay. We made it work. So moving on, I want to play with the eyeshadow palette that's in here. So it's by Crown, and this is what it looks like, and it retails for $29, so you get a mirror and you get 10 shades. So this is what it looks like. This is their Fuego eyeshadow collection. It says made of rich, warm toned shades. This creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. That is a lot to promise. I need to clean all my brushes because my brushes are so dirty and I feel like it's going to kind of mess with, like, look at this. Girl, get it together. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to kind of fast forward this and point to whatever shade I'm using, and then I'll talk about it when I'm done. So alright, so this is the look that I created. I'm not gonna lie, I wish this dark shade had a lot more pigment. As you can see in the palette, it looks like it's gonna be super dark, but it's not. I was trying to build up kind of like a smoky cat eye. It just wasn't working, so I kind of gave up on that. The other shades are nice. These are really buttery and blend out really nice, and they give you a lot of pigment. I applied these shades with my finger just because I feel like it always applies better with your finger, or if you like spray the brush. So I like the look that I created. Will I use this palette again? Yes. I mean, it's a pretty good palette, I would say. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to apply this mascara. This is by the brand Wander Beauty, and it retails for $24, and it's supposed to give you volume and curl. It says it's an award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, and it says that it volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes. So I'm a very picky mascara girl, so we shall see how this works. So let's apply this and see what I think. This is what the wand looks like, by the way. It does have like a little twist to it. Alright, so that is one generous coat. I mean, I would say this is like 5 coats, but I haven't let it dry yet. But as you can see, it's not really doing anything much crazy, but it does make them look like feathery and nice. Hopefully it will build up with another coat. I like my lashes to be like really full and long, and my Lancome mascara does that for me. So that is with 2 coats. It definitely did build them a little bit more. Do I like it? Yes. Is it my favorite? Definitely not, but it's definitely a nice mascara. Alright, so what I have to say about this mascara is I think that it definitely gives you a little bit of length, but it doesn't give me as much volume as I look for. It does kind of separate your lashes really nicely, but I like them to be a little bit more full. But I do really like the way that my lashes look. I think they look really like nice. So this is definitely a hit for sure. Let's zoom you back. So the last product that's in the box is actually a blush, and this is by the brand Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So it retails for $11.99, so pretty affordable, I like that. Let's see what the color, ooh, the color's really pretty actually. So it is like a peachy, this is gonna match my eye look so good. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe E4 brush. I love to use this for my blush. So I'm just gonna dig in and apply. It's a really gorgeous pigmented shade, and it has a smell to it. It smells really nice. Wow, that's pigmented. Uh-oh. It's really pretty actually. I really like that, and it's very pigmented. So this is definitely an A+ for me. I'm definitely going to use that again. And then that was everything in my BOXYCHARM. I'm just going to quickly apply my highlighter. This is the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I'm just going to apply that quickly just to finish off the look. This highlight is so intense, you guys. If you're looking for a highlight that's going to be intense, look no further, because here it is. And then also there wasn't a lip product in here, which is kind of strange because I feel like there's always a lip product. So I'm just going to quickly apply this lip gloss. I'm going to quickly just line my lips first with the NYX Waterproof Nude Suede Shoes lip liner. I use this all the time. I need to sharpen it. Does anybody else get to the point where they need to sharpen their lip liner or eyeliner, but you just don't want to, so you just keep trying to use it and then you just stab your lips a million times? Because that's me right now. I don't know why sharpening pencils is like such an annoying step that I feel like I just don't like doing. Alright, and then I'm just going to top that with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip gloss, and this is in the color Featherless. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray right now. It's just so good. I need to go blow dry my hair. But overall, everything in the box I really liked. The only thing that I'm kind of unsure of, obviously because I haven't tried it yet, is the eye cream. But other than that, you guys, I really liked everything. The blush was really pigmented and really nice. It went with the eyeshadow palette perfectly. The eyeshadow palette I did like. I wasn't like blown away with like the Alamar palette that came in the last BOXYCHARM. That was amazing. This is just a nice palette to have in your collection, but I feel like I have a lot of these shades anyways. I mean, it's a nice palette. It applied really nicely, and I do like the look that it created. This shade actually right here is probably my favorite in the palette because it's that really pretty like peachy champagne undertone to it. It's really pretty. So I really liked I did enjoy that. The mascara I liked as well. It wasn't my favorite, but it definitely is a good mascara. I will reuse it for sure. So yeah, and also the brow product I really liked as well. I think that it applied really nicely, and my brows look pretty good. So that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of try-on style BOXYCHARM video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys want me to keep doing them this way instead of just opening them and showing you guys the products. Let me know if you guys want me to do the try-on style every time, because I definitely will do that if you guys want that. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!